How to change profile picture on Weverse. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up the Weverse app on your device. Now, if you want to change the profile picture, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to find the My Profile option. If you don't find it here, then you can simply head over to the home page and tap on My Communities and head over to one of your community. After this, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Manage My Profile. Once you're here, tap on Edit Community Profile. Now you want to tap on the current profile picture. Then tap on Select from My Photos. Now you can select whichever photo that you want. Tap on Complete. Now you can edit this out. Then tap on Done, tap on Save. And just like that, you have successfully changed your profile picture on Weverse. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.